The story of Vivo Fashion demonstrates the impact of visionary enterprise and highlights the role of women in leadership, business, and entrepreneurship. Founded 13 years ago, the company now stands as East Africa's largest fashion brand. Designing and manufacturing 100% of their products in Kenya, with 25 stores across the region and employing over 380 employees, and I'm told this is the 26th store today. I am inspired to see that the company has embraced e-commerce with Shop Vivo, an online marketplace that connects over 300 local and international fashion and beauty brands with consumers in East Africa and, of course, by extension, to this great continent. The strategic focus and success of the company are further demonstrated by a US $600,000 grant from the United States Trade and Development Agency and the opening of the first fashion retail store in the US by a Kenyan entrepreneur, and there are 26 globally. It is truly remarkable, isn't it? Yeah. I also wish to commend the company for recently joining the Nairobi Securities Exchange Ibuka program. Through the program, Vivo should find it easier to access various equity and debt capital markets to finance business growth and further develop their brand. I am also extremely excited to see that Vivo has not ventured here alone. It has brought along other made in Kenya brands. This is the true African spirit in which businesses find innovative ways to support one another's advancement. You have all made us proud by showcasing the best of what Kenyan retail brands can offer at a global stage. For Vivo, Equator, Waithera, Soko, and Jiru, and I believe this is just the beginning. You now are ready to take up your business to the next level, joining the likes of Zara, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Guess, and many other brands. I assure you of the Kenya government support as you continue to inspire micro, small, and medium enterprises in Kenya and East Africa, which are following the journey that you have traveled. Again, Wandia, Gishuru, and your team, my very best wishes. You make us immensely proud. You speak to the true African spirit, that all of us are looking at opportunities that we're going to create to expand, opportunities for value addition, for making sure that we push the envelope on manufacturing and make sure that we can create jobs and also create value and create wealth. And I wish you the best as you partner with your colleagues, with many of the other brands, and you are a trailblazer, and many watching this event from Kenya know that the horizon is now larger, and they can too look at the future with a lot of pride that if Wandia and team could have made it this far, there is further to travel for those who want to walk this journey. Thank you for being bold. Thank you for being bold, for being courageous, and for daring. And I promise you that not even the sky is the limit. Thank you very much.
We are experiencing or witnessing the opening of the 26th branch of Vivo. Congratulations, Wandia, plus all the others that were here, Anjiro, Equator, and we really wish you success. You have opened the market to the possibility of us exporting our goods, continue being our fashion ambassador in America and in other places, Congratulations once again, and may God bless you. Just want to extend a hand of support. We will walk the journey with you as a ministry, and we look forward to the imagination we have for the future in this space.